Hello everyone, we are coming to week 6. We will discuss mouse control object movement. For the past 5 weeks, we have discussed about the control of the cat going around, click the mouse to move, and also place the space key to the program go, and also use the arrow key on the keyboard. So today we are going to discuss a quite wonderful, quite interesting code. The first one is locate mouse position. If you finish the code like this one and change the go to random mouse to mouse pointer, then the cat will follow your mouse pointer to go around the screen, the stage. Then number 2 is mouse facing direction move constantly, which means that you just need to add in one more block, which means move 10 steps here. So I can show you after you coding this code like this one. It will running like this. Let me press the control key first. Then click this one. It won't go. Then I have another way. Okay, go. So when the program goes, it will goes like this. You know the code we have finished in the last week, previous week. So right now, if you code the cat will chasing up to the ball. And if you want to coding that, see the inside. This is the code, just as what we discussed in here. And here. Okay, that's week 6. Move that up. Okay, this is it. Here, this one. And then following with this, I hope that each of you can code the blocks like this. There's totally only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 blocks. And also have the conditional execution comments. Here says distance to mouse pointer less than 10. Then no, larger than 10. And then pointer towards mouse pointer, which means that the cat will follow the mouse pointer like this one. Wherever it goes. More than 10. Okay, no, greater than 10 points. And then move 10 points step. So it will chase your mouse around the screen. Okay? The next. Next is this one. If you change your code to add to 2 more blocks, one is go to X0 and Y0. Then also add a block codes with until key space pressed. So if you add this one, after you click the black key, it will halt. Stop there, waiting for you to press the space key. Let me try that again. Click this one. Okay, here we are. They come in. This is program. When you execute it, it won't work. The mouse won't work. Only until your space key pressed, and then the cat will come into your mouse pointer. Okay, then you can take it, go around to chase the ball. Okay, that we are going to do for the next. Before you dip here, jump out here, press key. Otherwise, the computer will continuously running. And then go back and see here. What we need to do is you can go review with what I'm saying here. The first one is tell you the coordinate for the horizontal totally 480 points. Vertically from up and down totally we have 360 points. That's the stage scope. And then go to next. This one is go to random position. If you write a program like this, you know the cat will randomly go around the screen and eat for 1 second. You can try for that. And the next one is random. Generate a random number. For the X line, it falls on the point between -240 and 240 in the past. Anyway, it's on the screen, and also the Y position is just inside the screen. They generate the X and Y number. And then we will go and see this one. You can also try these two programs by yourself. And please watch the changing of the cat moving. And then we also have a block that says show and hide. So you learn to hide the different costume on the screen. Then, okay, we go to the final. Please click this one. I know everybody can do that. It's not that difficult. When we run the program, the screen will show in like this, and then we click the small green flag. It won't go no matter you click the mouse key or you do up and down, nothing works. But if you hit the space, then move mouse. Okay, hit the space, then I can move mouse. So what you can run is escape. Don't let the cat to catch you. What you want to do is just try to eat the boots. Let me try that again. Don't let the cat catch the mouse. Okay? And then what you want is to eat this roots. So there are two cherry here. And then let's start by clicking this one. Oh no, please go. If you were catched by the cat, then the mouse will be dead. So go again and press the space key and try to but now, see? Now get one. So if you like, you can design a scoreboard on the up left corner to count how many fruits be eaten by the mouse and escaped by the chasing of these 6 cats. The 6 cats have 2 in yellow, 2 in purple, and 2 in green. Then we do it again. If you want to see the program, you can see inside. Then on the screen they do have, let me show that. 8 costume, 8 sprites. So this is the man. No, man actually is this one. The mouse. The mouse will have the blocks that we learned before. So you can try to write the code like this one. Actually for the kids, all the program is exactly the same. Okay, and then move to the other 2. And this one is the cherry. Cherry have 2 block out codes. We've done that before. So I think if you watch this, you can understand that, but be sure to do the code by yourself. Don't just copy the program and uploading it for me. And then what you want to see is this one, the mouse. The mouse code is like this one. Okay, we just done this one, and then last week we done this before, and then actually this is no use. Just try to show you. Okay, I can delete that, and delete this one, and delete this. Okay, delete it, and then run that again. Run that again. You got to hit this. Wow. One more time. Hit space 2. It's double 1. You stay hiding here, and then go. Wow. Okay, this is our project for today. I hope that everyone can finish these 3 programs. We do have that in our assignment. Please go and see our assignment is practice the Peekaboo, Peekaboo, Peekaboo. And then our 3 assignment is here. The first one is doing the program like this. The number 2 is finish the program like this. And the last one is just doing program that's this one. Okay? Have you done it? I hope that you can learn much more than many skill from here. Okay, bye for now.